Before this video starts, I'd like to give a shout out to Level Crossings Ireland for suggesting me to go here. I will supply a link to his channel in the description. Let's crack on with the video. Hello everyone, you're watching another video by Newton Abbey's 28. This is Christmas with Jamie 2022, episode, what was it? 4, yes 4. We're seeing one train at Trooperslane today. We're actually going to be filming from the level crossing, as seen there. So, I'm going to do an intro to the crossing, and then when that's over, the train will come. So, stay tuned. Let's take an intro to Trooperslane station level crossing, just outside Carrickfergus, in the hamlet of Trooperslane. LEDs, SPX barrier, and 5 weights. There's Trooperslane station over there. A dirty ass barrier there. SPX rail system barrier. Only installed 2013. There's your LED wigwags with the YO3. Wooden crossing plants with worn anti-trespass guide. There's LEDs. SPX barrier with 5 weights. Oh yeah, there's 6.5 on that one, I think. There's your wigwag with YO3. And then SPX barrier with 6.5 weights, yep. So we're just going to be seeing, like I said earlier, one train here. So we'll wait till we see that one train. That car there, sensible. Train's coming the other way actually. Time is 14:29, you're waiting on your 14:30 Northern Ireland Railway service from Whitehead to Great Victoria Street. So 3000. Oh, looks like no one's getting on or off. Sorry, someone's in the way. I'll have to keep it down a minute. You know what, I'll probably switch sides here. Sorry, I still have to keep it down here. Literally no one got on or off. That's weird. No one really likes 309 or something. I don't know why it's so hated. Maybe because it's a 3000. And that's going to be all for today's episode of Christmas with Jimmy 2022. I'll see you tomorrow for day 5, yes. See you tomorrow, guys. Goodbye.